Well, I can see the floater. It's floating. Guys, it's pouring. Like this. The rain is too much. Oh my god, oh my god. Getting inside the house. No. I'm on duty. See? It's really pouring. And see what it was. Oh my god. But it's beautiful. I love raindrops. See there? Oh my god. They're making patterns, star-sized patterns. The rain is so much. Hey, it looks like this rain is going to get inside these houses. Oh my god. Because look at where the water has reached. Oh no 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 no. Let me go check at the back. I think my water is getting inside my house. Let me go check. Oh my god, what is this? Huku nyuma. Chini cha nomo nini? Oh my god. Yaoya waka chacha uogoko. Guys, and I thought it was just happening. Aparani? Kocha chande. Hey. Toke kachacha. Bitemane. Hey. Guy. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is bad. And there I was enjoying the rain. Oh my god, inakuja tu shoe. See. Guy, this is bad. Oh my god. What is this? Guy, inaingia huku ndani. Maiye. Tingeni maoko kaeni, bechal ka gima dithireo. Inano kaide. Okay. Kwani haitoki nje? Yeah, but this is so bad. What is this surely? Maiye, inakuja mpaka huku.